Alam niyo ba, minsan sa buhay, hindi mo talaga alam kung saan ka dadalhin ng next chapter mo. For my Australian husband, moving from one place to another is something he's already used to. Pero for me, completely new experience ito. Before I got married, buong buhay ko, I lived in the same house, in the same place in the Philippines. Kaya imagine how big of a change it was for me when we started moving from one place to another here in Australia. It started when my husband decided na it was time to leave his job. Kaya he needed to pack while I was in the Philippines, and then he moved to a caravan park. Then, nung pang third visit ko, ay nakalipat na si husband sa caravan park. We lived there for a month. Sayang, wala man lang akong photos or videos. Siguro meron, kaya lang nakurap kasi yung SD card ko, kaya wala talaga. Back then, hindi rin naman ako mahilig mag-video masyado, kaya sayang talaga. Minsan talaga, the Lord puts you in situations where you have to simplify everything. And during that time, we were just waiting and figuring out kung saan kami dadalhin ng next opportunity. And when my husband finally got a job in Broome, there it was. We packed our things, left most of our belongings with a friend, gave away some of our furniture, and brought only our clothes. Basically, we started all over again with just a suitcase each. And this is how our Broome adventure began. Imagine that, from having a whole house full of things, suddenly we were traveling with only the essentials. Parang nag-reset talaga kami. New place, new job, new chapter. When we arrived in Broome, thankfully, my sister-in-law was kind enough to let us stay at her house for a while. So kahit wala kaming sariling place yet, at least may temporary home kami. And honestly, malaking blessing yun. It gave us time to settle down, adjust to the new environment, and figure out our next steps. Bago kami pumunta sa Broome ay winter sa Australia, kaya sobrang lamig dun sa caravan park. And excited si Habi pumunta ng Broome kasi sabi niya tropical daw ang climate dun. Parang Pilipinas, kaya magugustuhan ko. So nauna nga si husband ng 1 week sa Broome, and then after that ay sumunod na nga ako. So pagdating ko doon ay medyo malamig pa kasi nga winter pa. And then comes the summer. Nagkataon sira ang aircon sa room na pinagstayan namin. At habang palapit na ang summer ay naghahanap na ng magagawa ng aircon ng sister-in-law ko. Sabi ko, don't worry, wala naman kami aircon sa Pilipinas. So sanay ako sa init. Sabi niya, no, it will really be hot. At nag-summer na nga. Sobrang init nga, as in kahit ating gabi gugustuhin mo mag-shower. Mas mainit pa nga talaga sa Pilipinas. Sobrang init pala talaga sa Broome. But aside from the very hot weather, Broome is also a very popular tourist destination. So since bagong dating kami, tourist muna kami. We started exploring Broome. Pumunta kami sa mga tourist spots. We checked out the beaches pero hindi naman kami nag-swimming. Madami daw pating doon. We tried different food, nag-sightseeing kami. Basically, we were doing all the things tourists normally do. And kahit nga nandun kami dahil sa work ni husband, we wanted to enjoy the experience. My husband always want to make memories together. And this is just the start of a new chapter, a new place. Sa mga next vlogs, I will show you mga places na pinuntahan namin ni husband dito sa Broome. Thank you so much for watching and joining us in another part of our Australian journey. And see you again next time. Have a great day, guys. God bless.